Hello, I'm Stefan Kristiansen from Business Solution Group at Formpipe. Today I'm going to showcase our Test and Performance Suite for Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. Our Test and Performance Suite is perfect for your Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation upgrade, allowing you to set up checkpoints and workflows with ease. This means you can quickly test your documents after the upgrade to check their functionality or any changes. Additionally, our suite includes a performance feature that shows you how fast your jobs are printed, which is useful for keeping things efficient. Finally, I'll demonstrate our performance tool designed to give you insight into your printing speed. So heading over to Modules, Lasernet, Test and Performance Suite, you'll find down here Performance. We have batch print schedule, batch bundling, and top picking. Batch bundling is sending one big file to the Lasernet server containing all the documents you're testing. Top picking is sending all the files in different files, so one XML file for each, where batch bundling would send one big XML file. So going into top picking, here you will select the destination first. Normally when I do these tests, I just do it to a printer or a fax, because you don't want it to send it to the screen, and you don't want to send it to an email unless you want to send a lot of emails. You would also have to select which report you want to test. So in my case, I'm going to use the sales invoice replacement, so our sales invoice, and I'm going to send it to our fax. Next, you will be able to select the records. How many jobs, how many times should it actually be testing this? Would you like 5 of them to be printed, 10 sales invoices, 20, 100? It's all up to you. Then you can also log on report, log on CPU, log on memory. So you can see, for example, with the log report, you can see how much time did it use in each of the reports, or do you actually just want to have like a view of all the reports together? Then we're going to say run in a batch, because I want to be able to go to our batch viewer and actually see the job running, instead of, if you don't run it as a batch, it would be happening straight on your screen. Instead of when running to batch, you can leave this window and go into our batch viewer and see how it progresses. So let's try to click OK and see how the batch job is going to go. Now you'll see here in our batch reviewer, you can also find it by going to Lasernet and here, batch print review. So here you can see in the right side that currently it's running, and we can keep pressing refresh to see the progress of the job. Now the job has ended. To make sure we can see all the data, we can hit refresh. Here we can see that the job has started here, the start date and time, and end date and time. In the right side here, you can see we got 10 records. The time duration for all those 10 jobs was 28 seconds. And we can see the time here estimated on how fast it was. If we scroll down, we can actually see each of the jobs down here, that the first job that actually had to start the entire process took 3.4 seconds, where after that each of the reports only took like around 1 second, like rough counted. But then you can see up here how long it took in generally per report. This is a very handy tool to be able to run a specific report as many times you want, to be able to actually be able to see how fast is your Lasernet performance right now. Can you print, like how long time is it going to take you to print 100 reports, 1000 reports, so you actually have a number on how long it's going to take you. But a very handy tool to be able to go in and see each of the jobs. For more information, or you'd like to trial out the Test and Performance Suite, please reach out to our sales team at sales@formpipe.com.